So what are these secrets to realism? After watching tons and tons of tutorials on YouTube, I finally discovered the tips and tricks that helped me to improve my drawing skills from drawing like this to drawing like this. So in this video, I will share the tips and tricks that will take your drawing skills to the next level, including when and how to outline, shade, and detail. But before I spill the beans on my tips and tricks, I need you to know that the material matters. Good pencils, paper and eraser is king. I'll be using the soft and medium charcoal pencils, the two small brushes, white pencil and the highlighter, the blending stone, and while I wish I could say the mono zero eraser, but it's not yet on my arsenal. So moving on to the first step, I started by shading directly with the medium charcoal pencil on the darkest part of the eyes, such as the pupil, the eyelash, and the linear part of the eyes. Care to know why I'm doing this first? Well, the lesser you know, the better. Okay, I'm kidding. In this way, these details can remain visible even after applying layers of details on them. Then after I use the Abido shaker, which we call the blending stump, to smudge over the drawn lines. This is done to make the line smoother and give it soft edges. The next step is to smash that like button and subscribe and book yourself a seat for my next video. You can use some charcoal remains on the blending stump to shade some areas as demonstrated. Moving on to render the skin layer of the eye. The cotton board is first used to shade charcoal powder in the smaller areas of the eye, like the shadows on the eyelid. This will serve as first layer for the eyes. You can also use a small brush for this, but for my own reasons, the cotton board is more comfortable for me. After shading with the cotton board, we then go over with a brush. This act will help us to achieve a smoother value. Hey fellow creatives, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. At Orosamuel Arts, I try my best to help beginner artists skip some beginner mistake. And if you are a returning viewer, I want to say a big thanks to you. Keep shading from darker to lighter areas till smooth value is achieved. After shading the skin textures, the hard charcoal pencil will then be used to shade over the dark areas for darker values and also used to give some dark skin textures. Moving to the highlights, the white pen will then be used to overlay white sharp highlights. By studying the reference photo, I'm going to know where and where not the light is strongly focused on. Make sure to do this in dots technique. That way, we have it look like pores and not like lines. Then I will use the white charcoal pencil to add softer highlights. This will help the transition of the light to be smooth. Then after, I will use my hard and soft charcoal pencil to add more values to the eyebrows. I use the HB pencil to add some dark details. In order to blend the details to the skin, I will use my brush and easily blend over the details. Moving to the nose, I will use my soft charcoal pencil to outline the nostril. And then smudge with my blending stump for a smoother edges. Feel free to add some shadings using the blending stump. Now let's render the skin layer of the nose. A cotton board dabbed in charcoal will be used to shade the first layer. After shading with the cotton board, I will then go over it with the brush in order to achieve smoother and uniformed value. Next, the soft charcoal pencil will be used to shade the dark portion of the nostril, and the hard charcoal pencil will be used to shade the edges for softer feel. Then use blending stump and cotton board to blend it. The rest of the face will be shaded using the same process. Enjoy the rest of the video as we approach the final result.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking...
I don't know what you think, but there are ways to shade faster than this, and the video for that will appear on this video soon. And the wait should be over now because the time you have been waiting for is here. The review.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.